Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to replace the brake light on my 2011 Ford Ranger. The brake light went out on it, so this should be a pretty easy job. Got my new brake light from O'Reilly, got some electrical grease, and I got a pair of channel locks and a Phillips screwdriver. Should be a pretty easy job.
My name is Doug. I'm a retired school teacher.
I built a camper van out of an old service van.
I will take you with me camping, fishing, going to the beach, going to baseball games. I'm going to teach you how to save some money. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Holiday Tinn.
So I'm going to start by obviously opening the tailgate. It's got two screws right here for the lamp, one here. Then on the outside, it's got a Phillips screw here, a Phillips screw here. My tailgate's got these handy dandy cup indentations where my coffee goes. So I'll start with the inside screws. Phillips screwdriver. Try to be careful not to drop them because that could cause a flat tire in your garage. I'll put it in the cup holder. Okay, inside screws are out. Outside screws. The outside screws are slightly different. See the head on that one, and the inside's got like a flange around it. The top one's not cooperating. The whole assembly should just pop right out right now. So the top one is my brake light. I'm just going to turn it counterclockwise by hand. If that doesn't work, I'll use a channel lock, but I don't need to. So it looks burnt out. So we're going to pop it out. Okay, I pull the bulb out of the socket. It's got two flanges here. I'm going to squeeze them, see that it unlocks it. Sometimes they don't cooperate, but squeeze it, jiggle it. Popped right out of there. So I'm gonna put some electrical grease in there, maybe on the contacts of the new one. Maybe that's a little too much. Pop it in there. So it's in. Now I want to put it back in the hole. I'll just kind of turn it clockwise, lock it in there. It's locked in. Now all I have to do is just put the whole assembly back up, put the screws back in. Well, that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That would help me out a lot. Some of you might be wondering why I haven't made a video in a while with the van. Well, the van was vandalized and it's been in the shop for quite a while. And I've talked about selling the van and getting a smaller van with better gas mileage. Anyhow, you might have watched some videos a few months back when the pickup truck of mine, the gas tank got vandalized on that pickup truck. Someone drilled a hole in the gas tank. Well, someone vandalized the van as well. They came back a few weeks later and they cut a hole in the filler tube of the van and caused some issues with the gas tank in the van. So the van's been in the repair shop to drop the gas tank, repair the filler tube and the vent on top of the gas tank of my van. So anyhow, that's why I haven't made a van video in a while. And like I said, I'm kind of in search for a smaller van like a Toyota Sienna or some other vehicle that gets better gas mileage. But until then, I've been making a couple videos like this one with my pickup. Anyhow, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching my video. Peace.